Welcome, in this video I will show you how to change daily goals on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, press the digital crown once to open the list of all applications, then go to Activity app, and once you're here, scroll down to the goal that you want to change using your digital crown to scroll. Once you select the activity for which you want to change the goal, you have to tap the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and then either change goal for today or change daily goal. After that, set your daily goal to the value that you need, then click set, and this way you can change daily goals for all kinds of activities on your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.